Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Western Nomad. We're back at it with my Mountain Town series. This is the town of Fairplay, Colorado. This is where the cartoon Southpark is based. And from what I understand, Southpark City is in Fairplay, and it's really this old historic site, as you see here as my drone's flying over, that's really been turned into a museum. So it's kind of like a ghost town museum, and this lawyer named Leon Snyder saw all these buildings just falling apart, and he wanted to recreate them and kind of bring the history of this town back to life. So from what I understand, that's Southpark City. Now, this town isn't too big. You can explore this whole area in an hour or two. I talked to some cool guys there, like Bryan from the WTF Shop, and he kind of showed me around his shop and told me about the history of the area. And this place was originally founded by the Ute and Cheyenne Indians, I believe, and it has a real rich history. This is about an hour and a half, or a little over an hour and a half, from Denver. So pretty easy drive. Just go down 285 and you'll pass Kenosha Pass, which is a beautiful area as well. And of course, this town was known for mining, and a lot of like fur trappers and hunters came here back in the day. So a really hard place to live, ferocious winds, just lots of snow during the winter, and in the 1800s. This was a rough place, but you know, a lot of people, this is the story of the American West. People came out here for independence, freedom, and the promise of wealth. So this town has a Burro race festival, which I did not know what that was, and apparently it's some kind of race with a donkey on a rope. If you know more about that, please drop a comment. There's lots of local artists here, and you know, you can see all these local shops. They're worth checking out. You know, I always like supporting my local businesses in Colorado. That's what we're all about, and it's worth supporting people in this town because it's probably not easy to live here.
I'm Bryan. Welcome to Fairplay.
Thanks, sir.
We're up here at 10,000 feet at a high mountain plateau. It's a small town of 800 people. We're surrounded by Denver and Breckenridge and Colorado Springs. We keep it on the low here. Right. Come see what's in my backyard.
This is Bryan. He is the owner of the WTF Shop, which sells a bunch of cool artwork and souvenirs from the area. So if you're in Fairplay, check it out. He's a real cool dude. He was like, come check my shop out, come see what this town looks like. Here he's just pointing out some nearby mountain ranges and mines and where to go fishing. So appreciate your time, Bryan. And yeah, it's Southpark, man. People are interesting out here.